Subscribe to my channel, and every Friday you'll get a new low sodium video to help you keep your sodium low. Oh, you just never know what Judy's going to put out there. Click on the little bell. Subscribe to my channel. You get notified when I put a new one out there. And you'll say, oh, wonder what Judy's doing today. Most of us have cravings as we grow up, and mine just happens to be ham. That was our celebration dinner. Mom would cook a ham, and we'd have it for dinner, breakfast, and lunch. Make a pot of beans. Eat that ham. Our glaze has no sodium per serving. Use it on appetizers, meatballs, chicken. Oh, you'll find a lot of uses for it. 1 cup pure maple syrup, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Use a medium heat in your saucepan. Takes about 5 minutes to whisk it together until the sugar dissolves. I keep mine in the freezer because it does not freeze solid, and I can take some out anytime I want it. Because ham was our celebration dinner. Oh, that's what we get cravings for. And when you start getting a craving for whatever it is, it could be tacos, enchiladas, lasagna, whatever your celebration dinner was, there's not much that's going to satisfy you until you take care of whatever that craving is. Well, we know that ham has a lot of sodium. We just have to watch the other meals throughout the day. Because when we really crave something, oh, there's not much that's going to satisfy us until we have what that craving is. Keep track of the rest of your meals through the day. Go to your deli. Ask them to cut you ham steaks with Boar's Head ham. Oh, it's got the least amount of sodium of any that I've seen so far. 2 ounces has 440 milligrams of sodium. All the rest have twice that much. If we have 880 milligrams of sodium for 1 meal, and we're watching everything else through the day, we can have potatoes, rice, asparagus, snow peas, or frozen corn with a little bit of unsalted butter, and they will have no sodium per serving. Add a green salad with poppy seed or French dressing. The videos for both are on this channel. My dad would say, we have butter on our bread, but we'd rather have instead ham. Ham. We eat it when we can. He was my champion, and I didn't realize it. He stood behind me whatever I did, with my mom, the Sunday school teacher, my teachers at school. Thanks, Dad. Didn't know how much you were helping me to grow up and be myself. Whatever your craving is, cut it in very small bites. Chew slowly. Get as much flavor as possible. Snack on cherries, grapes, and other no-sodium foods.